Imagine walking into a room, meeting new people, or going through a busy workday and knowing with absolute confidence that you smell good, feel fresh, and look well put together from morning to night. Freshness isn't just about perfume or deodorant. It's about body care habits that keep you clean, comfortable, and confident throughout the day. Unfortunately, many of us struggle with staying fresh. Maybe you notice sweat odor halfway through the day, or your skin feels greasy, or your breath isn't as crisp as it was in the morning. The good news? You don't need expensive products or complicated routines to fix this. Today, I'll be sharing 5 proven body care hacks that will keep you fresh all day long. These hacks are practical, affordable, and easy to apply, no matter your lifestyle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to maintain that clean, fresh feeling from sunrise to bedtime. Let's dive into hack number 1. Hack 1. Master the shower routine. The foundation of staying fresh all day begins with your shower routine. But not all showers are created equal, and the way you bathe can determine how long you actually stay clean and odor-free. Step 1. Choose the right cleanser. Harsh soaps can strip your skin of natural oils, leaving it dry and prone to irritation. On the other hand, body washes that are too moisturizing may leave a residue, making you feel sticky. A good balance is a pH-balanced body wash or a gentle bar soap that cleans effectively without over-drying. Step 2. Target sweat-prone areas. While you should wash your whole body, focus extra on areas that trap sweat and bacteria: underarms, feet, behind the ears, the groin area, and the back of your neck. These are the hot spots where odor tends to develop first. Use a washcloth, loofah, or exfoliating glove once or twice a week to remove buildup and dead skin cells. Step 3. Mind the temperature. A super hot shower may feel relaxing, but it can dehydrate your skin and even increase sweating afterward. Opt for lukewarm water instead. Finish with a 20 to 30 second cool rinse. It helps tighten pores, reduce sweating, and leaves you feeling invigorated. Step 4. Towel off properly. Damp skin is a breeding ground for bacteria, so dry yourself thoroughly. Pay attention to folds of skin under your breasts, armpits, and between toes. Use a clean towel every 2 to 3 days to prevent bacteria transfer. Bonus hack: switch your shower time. If you sweat heavily at night, shower in the morning to start fresh. If you exercise after work, shower again in the evening. For many people, a quick rinse both morning and night makes the biggest difference in staying odor-free. By perfecting your shower routine, you're setting the stage for freshness that lasts far beyond the bathroom. Hack 2. Smart layering for long-lasting scent. Perfume alone won't keep you smelling good all day. In fact, if you spray fragrance directly on unprepared skin, the scent fades quickly. The secret is scent layering, building freshness step by step. Start with clean skin. After showering, apply an unscented or lightly scented body lotion. Hydrated skin holds fragrance better than dry skin. Choose complementary scents. Use body wash, lotion, and perfume in the same scent family, like vanilla, citrus, or floral. This builds a consistent base rather than competing smells. If you don't want matching sets, go for neutral moisturizers and let your perfume stand out. Apply strategically. Don't just spray perfume on your clothes. Apply it to pulse points, wrists, behind ears, inner elbows, and even behind knees. These spots generate heat, which helps diffuse fragrance all day. You can also lightly mist your hairbrush and run it through your hair for a subtle trail of scent. Use a deodorant and antiperspirant combo. Deodorant masks odor, while antiperspirant reduces sweat. Applying both at night and reapplying in the morning can significantly improve freshness. Carry a travel refresher. Mini deodorant wipes, body sprays, or travel-sized perfumes are lifesavers during long workdays. A quick freshen up in the bathroom can restore your confidence instantly. The key takeaway: fragrance should be layered, not sprayed in isolation. With this method, you'll leave a subtle, long-lasting impression instead of battling fading scents by lunchtime. Hack 3. Breath and oral freshness. Nothing kills confidence like worrying about bad breath. You could look amazing and smell great, but if your breath is off, it ruins everything. That's why oral hygiene is one of the most underrated body care hacks for staying fresh all day. Start with brushing correctly. 2 minutes twice a day is the rule. Don't forget your tongue. Most odor-causing bacteria live there. Use a tongue scraper or gently brush your tongue every morning. Floss daily. Food trapped between teeth is one of the biggest causes of bad breath. Flossing removes what brushing can't reach. If flossing feels tedious, try floss picks for convenience. Mouthwash matters, but choose wisely. Alcohol-based rinses can dry your mouth, making odor worse over time. Opt for alcohol-free mouthwashes that fight bacteria without causing dryness. Stay hydrated. A dry mouth encourages bacterial growth. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip regularly throughout the day. Snack smart. Apples, celery, and carrots naturally clean teeth and freshen breath. On the flip side, avoid too much garlic, onions, and strong coffee unless you can brush soon after. Emergency hacks. Keep sugar-free gum or mints in your bag. Chewing gum not only masks odor, but also stimulates saliva production, which naturally cleanses your mouth. Maintaining oral freshness isn't just about hygiene. It directly impacts how people perceive your confidence and cleanliness. Add this to your daily routine, and you'll never have to second-guess your breath again. Hack 4. Clothing and fabric care. Freshness doesn't stop at your body, it extends to what you wear. Even the cleanest person will struggle to stay fresh if their clothes aren't cared for properly. Wash clothes thoroughly. Sweat and bacteria cling to fabrics, especially underarms and collars. Wash workout clothes after every use and avoid re-wearing tops more than once without washing. Use the right detergent. Standard detergents sometimes leave sweat odors behind. Look for sports detergents or add half a cup of white vinegar to your wash cycle. It naturally breaks down odor-causing bacteria. Dry completely. Never fold or wear clothes that are even slightly damp. They'll develop a musty smell. Sun-drying is especially effective at killing bacteria and keeping fabrics crisp. Pay attention to shoes. Shoes trap odor easily. Rotate pairs so each has time to air out. Use baking soda, dryer sheets, or cedar shoe inserts overnight to absorb odor. Wash insoles or replace them regularly. Fabric freshening hacks. Keep a fabric spray in your closet for quick refreshes. Lightly misting clothes before wearing them can give you an extra boost of confidence. Remember, staying fresh isn't just about your body, it's about making sure your clothes support the effort, not undo it. Hack 5. Midday refresh routines. Even with the best morning routine, long days can test your freshness. That's why having a midday refresh routine is the final hack to staying clean and confident from start to finish. Pack a small essentials kit. Include mini deodorant wipes, a travel-sized body spray or perfume, breath mints, blotting papers, and hand sanitizer. These fit easily in a small bag and work like magic when you need a quick reset. Blot, don't pile on. Instead of layering more makeup or spraying too much perfume, remove the problem first. Use blotting papers for oily skin, wet wipes for sweat, and then reapply light products. This prevents buildup and keeps you looking natural. Change socks or underwear if needed. For very long days, packing an extra pair can be a game changer, especially in hot weather. Nothing refreshes like clean undergarments. Freshen hair. Hair holds onto odors easily. A dry shampoo or hair mist can absorb oil and refresh your look instantly. If you wear braids or protective styles, lightly mist with a leave-in spray. Hydrate and fuel wisely. Drinking water and eating light, fresh foods help your body stay balanced. Heavy meals can trigger sweating and sluggishness, which impacts freshness. Think of this hack as your personal reset button. By giving yourself 5 to 10 minutes for a midday refresh, you'll carry the same confidence you had in the morning straight into the evening. In conclusion, staying fresh all day isn't about spending hours in the bathroom or buying luxury products. It's about mastering simple, consistent body care habits. Let's recap the 5 proven hacks we covered today. Perfect your shower routine with the right cleansers, water temperature, and drying habits. Layer scents smartly for long-lasting freshness. Maintain oral hygiene and hydration for confident breath. Care for your clothes and shoes so they support your freshness. Build a midday refresh routine to reset your confidence anytime, anywhere. When you combine these strategies, you're not just masking odor, you're preventing it, managing it, and creating habits that keep you consistently clean, fresh, and confident. Freshness is more than hygiene, it's self-care. It affects how you feel about yourself and how others experience being around you. Start applying these hacks today, and you'll notice the difference not just in your scent, but in your confidence and energy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hygiene and self-care tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and personal routines. Remember, staying fresh all day is possible for everyone. With just a few mindful habits, you can feel confident, smell amazing, and carry yourself with energy from the moment you wake up until you go to bed. Stay fresh, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.